Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uwe Samla Khasi na apa Lumparing ubadai ru dekat ke Meghalaya Sports Climbing and Mountaineering Association ya ubalatep kerteng kum uti kelu jerwa. Ulalong uwe na pedeng ki sau phawengut ki London ki bala syakta na ka Jingtwa ulum Thah ha Uttarakhand ha kasngi baar. Katkum ka Jingtep bala yoklum usamla tiklu udai udekot ka kenhun ki bala let syahikai halor ka Advanced Mountaineering Course ka Badan Nehru Institute of Mountaineering Uttarakhand. Komshi banta na ka jing syahikai henen kasngi kilalet syakliar Mount Draupadi ka danda Henry Snewbok baha kapor bagi dang wan pai na uni ulum Thah ulatwa. Samla tiklu ulayo jingkershan naga Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs lengba katay ka association banlet syahikai kiulum ha katay ka shlem. Nadu henen kasngi bat hadu menta ka jingwat ya kitay ki balaja na ka Jingtwa ulum Thah kadang ya chakman.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.